Hey guys, so I'm really excited because I got a package in the mail. I think is a Voxbox Influencer package. If it's not, you'll never see this video. So the reason is wet is because this is the bottom side and it was snowing. But obviously I'm not showing my real address. So let's go. Oh, okay. Oh, what's this? Okay, that's Alright, well, thank you, Dawn, for sending me a bottle of dish detergent. Ooh, Jasmine. Oh yeah, this is definitely the Voxbox one because I remember we could choose the scent and I chose Jasmine, but I definitely didn't expect them to send me a entire bottle, let alone a ginormous bottle. This is like a $5 on sale. This is like $5 on sale. Oh, you know what? I don't think it smells necessarily like jasmine. It's a little bit like lavender, I'd say, but it's just a pleasant floral scent. But that's awesome because Dawn Platinum is like the premium line, with all the enzymes and stuff. And their little duckling. Here's the, I mean, look, we know about Dawn. Dawn's the best, the GOAT. Everyone knows Dawn, so I'm really thrilled to be, sent this, to be asked to test this, and you can bet, I will definitely be testing this lovely ginormous bottle. This is like oh my gosh, this is like probably like 3 months or more supply of Dawn. This is amazing. I use Dawn for everything, like to clean the stove, I use it to clean stubborn stains on clothing sometimes. So this is amazing. This is awesome. Thank you so much, Dawn, for sending me this bottle to try, and thank you for Influenster for connecting me with Dawn. I'm a current customer. I've never had this scent, but I'm really excited to try it, and I love the platinum stuff. I love the, I like the oxy kind. I like all the different sorts. So thank you so much, and have a good day, guys.